We recently became D23 members for the first time ever. I'll call July 1st our first official day of being D23 members, but we just got our welcome packet in the mail.
So dramatic. It ain't heavy.
Now, the way that this works is because she was the primary member, I was the duo with the way that they do the memberships now. There's no family plan anymore. There's a huge welcome packet with all the gifts and everything, and then there's the duo member only gets kind of a certificate that says, guess what? You're in the D23. So first, let's take a look at this. I got this in the mail at about the same time as the box. So first, I have my black certificate. It says, D23 welcomes Brandon to the official Disney fan club. And it's got Chief Executive Officer of the Walt Disney Company, Robert Chapek, and Mickey Mouse, leader of the club, gold member. The certificate says, yes, you did pay us a lot of money. Is that the only thing that's in here? Is this the receipt? No, this is my card, so I have to bring this card with me when we do stuff. Like, possibly be going to the destination D23. See that video right here in the I button. But now let's get to the fun stuff. This is the swag that comes with your membership. And it comes with the membership every year. So when you renew, you get a new set of swag. Okay.
Oh, so that box just opened all the way
There's
up.
a box in a box. Look at that. All right, are you ready to get into the big orange box they gave us?
I know why he's so excited.
We're gonna go one at a time.
Oh, it's me!
Hers is the same one as mine. So there's one for her and one for me.
It's fancy.
And oh, you got your membership card is like right here. It's like fancied in there. Look at this thing.
Fancied in there?
Yeah. And there's little Mickey holes. Oh, and it has her name on the back. And it expires 7/1/2022. So I was right. July 1st. This says, welcome to the club. And it has the Walt Disney World News, D23 edition, a half century of blah, 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 volume 50, number 1. And it's got lots of, I guess, Disney news and stuff like that. So that's fun. Oh, it's a little orange bag! So this is the Vacation Kingdom of the World Then and Now Bear Band Serenade from Country Bear Jamboree, October 1st, 1971. Nothing Can Stop Us Now from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, March 4th, 2020.
Do we have any medium to play that on if we wanted to?
I don't know. It might not actually be a record. It might be like a CD or something. I don't know what it is though, so we'll find out.
I think it's an actual record because I think it's orange.
Be. Oh gosh, it is vinyl. Or it's one of those little like 45s. Look at that. Yikes. That is a record. I mean, they sell record players now. Records have gotten really popular again.
My mom has one.
Okay, well, we'll have to figure out some way to play that record.
Record player. Good will.
Here we come. We're getting ourselves a record player. The official Disney fan club, D23. Classic Mickey head on there.
Yeah. Oh, it has a different design. It's
Look
got
at that.
Mickey on the front.
And then on the back, it's got Figment conducting. Figment. And then along the edges has, it is the Dream Finder. Look at that. It's the Dream Finder in his the Dreammobile. I don't know what it's called. I should know. And it's got Orange Bird. Because he's heading to the Dreamport. 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. The Contemporary. There's a lot of detail on this thing. Wow.
Pretty cool.
I like that. Okay, I didn't think I was going to even care about this lunchbox, but this is pretty detailed. What is in said lunchbox? Do you see what is in this box? These are the commemorative pins that I wanted to get. There's a Figment and an Orange Bird and a DJ Rex, one of the Country Bears, and that is the Yeti, right? Now, what I notice about these pins, though, is that they are all the soft, sunken enamel, which is very surprising.
It's our Yeti because this is for Walt Disney World, celebrating 50 years.
Oh, that's right, derp.
We're just playing D23.
Well, the back of these pins, like typically, you know, all the Disney pins have the Mickey waffling and all that kind of stuff. This one has a D23 stamp on it instead of the Disney Pin Trader stamp, and it says 2021, and the rest of it is just matte black.
Got a Mickey back.
I'm very surprised at the sunken enamel. I wonder if all the other ones are like this too, like the other years they have it.
I like the backing cardboard because they're all on their each little Mickey balloon.
All right, well that is everything that we got in our pack. Just to review real quickly, we got the record, we each got a certificate, we each got our card and our welcome letter, the Mickey Mouse pennant for D23. I believe this is going to be a quarterly newsletter, a very detailed lunchbox, which was really neat, and the commemorative set of membership pins. Have you joined D23 for 2021? Which piece of swag was your favorite? Obviously mine was the pin, and now I'm really liking this lunchbox because there's a lot of Figment all over this lunchbox. What's your favorite?
I do like the lunchbox and the pins.
Put in the comments below what your favorite piece of swag is from the 2021 D23 swag membership set.
But until next time, remember,
No capes. I was the duo with the way that they do the memberships now. There's no family plan anymore.
with the way they duo the memberships.
Wah, wah.
No capes!